from our launch. And we've gotten a lot accomplished, but we have a lot more to do. And the focus right now is getting the boat ready. We're equipping the ship.
We have been really busy collecting supplies, mostly safety and communication equipment. Some of the things we've brought over from the U.S. and other supplies we've had delivered to our apartment in Germany. We've taken 2 van loads of supplies to Stralsund.
Now I'm down here in the center cabin of the boat, and I'm emptying all the compartments and see what we got, and then we decide what we really need, emphasize the word really, and then we need to understand what we don't need, get rid of it. Just now I found this beautiful ship's bell down here in the stomach of the boat. By the way, it's a mandatory prerequisite, boat of this length, to carry a ship's bell.
Built in 1974, Seafalca's electrical system is ancient. We decided to make some much-needed upgrades and repairs. Electricians have been busy replacing, reorganizing, and rerouting all the wires throughout the entire vessel to get her ready for a data bus system and a new plotter and autopilot. Mike spent some time in Stralsund emptying out all the lockers and reorganizing supplies. He was able to make some serious decisions about things we need and things we won't need.
There's no reason to panic.
There's more reason to panic than you might think. You know the story of Vasa?
Mm-mm.
That is a ship. It is exhibited in Stockholm. It's a Swedish sailing ship. If I'm not mistaken, it was built in the 1700s. And it sank in the port of Stockholm before it even left for sea because of the weight of its cannons.
How do we make sure that we only take the things that we need and not everything?
I mean, there's one very simple method of doing this. Sticking to the budget.
Sure.
That we have exceeded by like 5 times already.
But we're doing some things to help the budget. Like we've borrowed some things from Toya because she won't be in the water this year.
That's right. We borrowed a dinghy.
And some life vests. And what else do we get from her?
I mean, a spare binocular, for example, minor things, a handheld radio, a knife. Toya, of course, was never equipped for real offshore sailing. Toya was always equipped for Baltic Sea, offshore, as much as you can call this offshore sailing. But there's a difference between offshore in the Baltic Sea and offshore in the Atlantic, for sure. Distance to shore and correspondingly time it will take for somebody to come and help you if you're in distress. I mean, the Baltic Sea, almost the complete Baltic Sea, can be covered by a helicopter within 2 hours max. It will take 2 days if they even know that you're in distress.
Okay, so what are we doing about that? What precautions do we have to make sure somebody knows if we're in distress?
I mean, for everyone who wants to has a testament written. And I think we die like man.
That's not exactly what this novice wants to hear.
Seafalca was built for rough seas. Seafalca is an 11 tons steel ketch. So it is a massive boat. It's 12 meters long. It's about 42, 43 feet. It is a very sturdy and seaworthy ship. I would not worry to go out in it in rough conditions if I had to. In fact, it is pretty slow in light winds, so it only gets the speed about like 4, 5, 6. And because of 2 masts, we have the possibility to adjust the sails to the current wind conditions, which is very much a safety factor. And we do not have to handle too big a sails like if we would have needed to use the same area of sails on a sloop kind of sailboat, the main sail would have been much bigger, and accordingly the general would have been much bigger and much more difficult to handle, especially in rough conditions.